fair notes. Okay na? All of you ready with your fair notes? Good. So keep the write the lesson name, children. At the top of the page, write the lesson name, the climatic regions of the world. Then below the lesson name, you have to write the heading exercise. Then first bit is fill in the blanks. Okay na? Fill in the blanks and look at the first question. Look at the first question, children. Read with me. The sun shines brightly around the dash. Sun shines brightly around the equator. So answer is equator. Next, second one. Places near the mountains are always dash. Places near mountains are always cool. Okay, now what is the answer? Cool. Next, third one. The polar region lie near the poles. What is the answer? Poles. Next, fourth question. Dash and dash are the two main factors that indicate the climate of a place. Okay na? What is the answer, Nana? Temperature and rainfall. Next, fifth one. The tropical areas have dash and dash climate. Tropical areas are which type of climate, Nana? Hot and wet climate. So this is the 5 fill in the blanks. Now let us go to the 6th fill in the blank. Look children, this is the 6th question, 6th fill in the blank. India comes under dash climate. India comes under tropical climate. Answer is tropical. Now 7th fill in the blank. All the big deserts are found in the dash parts of the continents. All the big deserts are found in the western parts of the continents. Answer is western. Now 8th fill in the blank. The dash region has a moderate climate. Answer is temperate. So this is the first bit. 8 fill in the blanks. Now children, after writing this bit in your fair notes, take your textbook. You can also see first bit at the page number 240. So after writing first bit in your fair notes, you have to write answers in the textbook also. Okay na? Write the first bit in the fair notes and textbook. Now let us see the second bit through true or false. Look children, this is the second bit. Write whether the following statements are true or false. In the second bit, look children, there are 5 true or false given. First read the sentence and find out the sentence is true or false. Okay? Now read with me first question. There is a relation between latitude and temperature. This statement is true or false? True. Very good. Now second one. The surface of the earth is heated by the sun rays. Answer is true. Third one. Areas with different types of climate are called climatic regions. Areas with different types of climates are called climatic regions. True or false? True. Now fourth one. The region that lies between the two tropics is known as polar region. Two tropics. The region that lies two tropics is known as tropical region actually. But here what given children? Polar region. So the statement is false. Next fifth one. Temperature is very high near the equator. Yes or no? Yes. So answer is true. So this is your second bit children. Write neatly in your social pair notes without spelling mistakes. Use blue and black pens. Okay na? Now after writing this bit in your social fair notes, take your social textbook at the page number 240. Now write the answers in your textbook also. Okay na? Don't write FT like, write completely false through. Now let us see the third bit. Answer the following questions. Look children, this is the third bit. Answer the following questions. Now look at the first question. Read with me. What are the main factors which influence the climate of a place? What are the main factors, Nana, that influence the climate? Answer. First question answer. The most important factor that influences the climate of a place is its latitude or the distance from the equator. This is the first question answer. Now look at the second question and read with me. Why do places near the equator experience hot climate? Now answer. Second question answer. Around the equator the sun shines brightly. So places which are near the equator have a hotter climate. Now third question. Define climatic regions. It means write the climatic regions names. Just we have to write the climatic regions names. That's it. Now look at the third question answer. First one, the tropical region, the temperate region and the polar region. So this is the these are the third questions. Okay, Nana? Write neatly in your social fair notes. Now let us see the fourth question. Look children, this is the fourth question. Mention the names and locations of the three main climatic regions of the earth. Now look at the fourth question. Fourth question answer. Actually fourth question meaning is mention the three climatic region names and where they are located. Okay na? It means what is the area of the climatic regions. First one, look children, fourth question answer. The region that lies between the two tropics is known as a tropical region. So this is the location of the tropical region. Then the countries lying between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere comes under temperate region. So this is the location of the temperate region. Now polar region lies near the poles. So in this question asked the climatic region locations. So we have to write the three climatic region locations. Next, fifth question. How is the climate of the tropical region? It means which type of climate having in the tropical region. So answer is tropical region has a hot and wet climate. This is the fifth question answer. Now let us see the sixth and seventh question answers. Now look at the sixth question. Write a few sentences about the temperate region. Already this question answer we have written in the fifth question, in the fifth question answer, but also again we have to write in the sixth question answer. Look children, sixth question answer. This region has moderate climate. The country is lying between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle. Sorry, circle is not written there. You have to write there, okay? And the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere comes under this region. So this is the sixth question answer children. Now seventh one. What is the other name given to the polar region. What type of climate is experienced over there? Seventh question answer. The polar region is also called tundra region. The areas near the poles are very cold. So children, this is the fourth lesson pair notes. So write this all the pairs in your social pair notes very neatly without spelling mistakes. So in the next class we have to start fifth lesson.